J.A.W.S, Jannatec Advanced Warning System. J.A.W.S is a proximity detection system that has been designed to enhance safety of operations. Works without any additional mine infrastructure, meaning power and other communications have no effect on the system. J.A.W.S uses radio signals to identify assets and create proximity alerts to advise vehicle operators of their proximity to other vehicles, personnel, and fixed assets. J.A.W.S can also alert personnel that vehicles are approaching or nearby so that workers can take precaution and are advised of dangerous situations in high-noise environments.